We are about to take a trip into one of the most complex and fascinating universes known to us, the human body. But forget everything you know about textbooks or charts. This time, we're actually going inside. I mean, think back to biology class, right? We all stared at those flat, two-dimensional diagrams, and sure, they're helpful, I guess, but they just don't capture the incredible three-dimensional reality that's happening inside all of us right this second. It's kind of hard to really grasp the true geography of our own bodies, but what if you could change all that? Well, now you can. We're talking about a completely new way to travel through arteries, get up close and personal with organs, and witness the very systems that keep you alive, all from your screen. And here's our ride for this amazing journey, Sharecare U. Now, this isn't just some tech demo. It's a fully immersive simulation of the human body. And it's the real deal. It actually won the 2019 Appy Award for Best VR App. And it's available on both PC and Mac. Okay, so let's get into what this is really like. What's actually possible once you step inside? Let's gear up and find out. The sheer scope of what you can do here is, well, it's incredible. Think of this as your expedition toolkit. You can explore over 40 different scenes. You can literally travel inside an organ, watch videos that explain what you're seeing, and you can even simulate diseases and conditions to understand them better. The key to this whole experience is what they call a photorealistic simulation. So what does that mean? It means this is not a cartoon. It's a meticulously detailed 360-degree digital recreation. You can look in any direction and it feels like you're really there, surrounded by the inner workings of the human body. It's pretty wild. But here's what might be the most powerful feature of all. This isn't just a tour of a human body. It can be a virtual version of your human body. You can personalize the avatar to reflect your own health and your own conditions, which makes the experience so much more personal and relevant. And that's exactly why the name is so perfect. The entire experience is designed to be customized, to be centered around the user. It's all about you. Okay, this all sounds incredible, but what do medical experts actually think? Is it a fancy toy, or is it a genuinely useful tool? Let's take a look at an expert's verdict we found in a user review. So we found a review from someone with a pretty unique perspective, a former EMT who also has doctor-level education in radiology. So this is someone who's seen the real thing and has used a bunch of different anatomy programs over the years. So what was their take on it? And here's what they said. After trying out lots of other tools, some of which they said were excellent, by the way, they came to the conclusion that nothing could beat Sharecare U. And they specifically pointed out that for the quality you're getting, the price was incredibly fair. That makes this powerful tool accessible not just to big institutions, but to individuals too. All right, so you're probably wondering how you can start your own expedition, right? Let's cover how to begin your journey and get into the practical details. First off, you've got two main options. There's a standard version that runs on both Windows and Mac. Then there's the even more immersive VR version, which currently runs on Windows. For the latest pricing on either one, you can just check them out on Steam. And here is a fantastic tip. Thanks to Steam's refund policy, you can basically take this for a risk-free test drive. Just purchase the software, explore it for up to 2 hours, and if it's not for you, you can get a full refund. No strings attached. It's the perfect way to see if this journey is right for you. So let's just zoom out for a minute and think about the bigger picture here. What does a tool like this really mean for the future of discovery? When you get right down to it, Sharecare U really represents a fundamental shift. It's more than just an educational app. It's a completely new way to gain self-knowledge. It's a way to spark curiosity about the one thing every single one of us shares, a human body. And that leaves us with one final thought. For centuries, our understanding of our own bodies was limited, limited to what we could see from the outside or on a diagram. But now we can be virtual explorers inside our own biology. So the real question is, when a journey like this is possible for anyone, what new things are we going to discover about ourselves?